Hey guys, it's Paola from WTI, and I want to share with you this rug by REFETONE because it is keeping my house so much cleaner than before. I have small kids and a dog, and they track in so much dirt like you would not believe, and this little miracle worker right here somehow clings it. It's almost like it pulls it off of their shoes. I have no idea how, but REFETONE has done it. So this size is 32 by 48 inches, and it's the perfect size for the entryway because it gives plenty of room to walk enough steps so that you don't bring in any dirt into your house. So while I was watering, I spilt a little bit, and that's okay because all I have to do is walk onto this rug and it quickly wicks up the moisture from my shoes. I mean, I was literally standing in a puddle. Look at this. There is almost nothing left over. That's amazing. And it still manages to be low profile. Let me show you how easy it is for this door to open and shut, no problems. It has a really good quality rubber backing, so this isn't sliding even if I tried to make it happen. I cannot emphasize enough how amazing this rug is. Get yourself one and try it out yourself. You will not regret it, and that's my point of view.